It is our customer service week. It's a period in time all over the world where we are internationally expected to recognize our customers, appreciate them, and all of that. So C&I Outsourcing is tuning into that as well. The entire unit, in line with management staff, to visit all of our clients. We actually assigned the top management, the MD, the directors, the head of units of all the other units within C&I Outsourcing to visit all our clients. We are actually there to maybe present a little corporate gift item, appreciate them, tell them thank you for the business, and then ask them what it is that they want us to improve upon. Because the essence of it is to also meet their needs and make them happy. We want to excel in servicing them. So that's the essence of the entire